Okay, all right, welcome guys. So let's quickly go through what we have. Okay, become a pro design with confidence product structure. Okay, so product structure is like it's one of the leading structural design software today. Especially in the Nigerian construction industry. Okay, it's the leading structural design software. There are a lot of other softwares, that are also very good and effective and unique, but a lot of people prefer product structure today because of the many advanced plugins. Apart from plugins, there is a whole lot of advanced stuff that has been introduced into the software that makes it a bit more easier. So, but there are lots of other software too. If you want to learn, we have, I think, we have a lot of them. So, but I'll mention that in my next video. Okay, so I hope you've gone through this already. I don't want to take you through a lot of things. I just want to do a summary of what we have here. So, about us, course content, introduction to structural design. So, introduction to structural design is we're going to be, doing a brief of manual design. Okay, we'll just do a brief of manual design so you understand the basis because you cannot use the software to design anything when you don't have the primary knowledge of what you're doing. Okay, and another thing is a lot of people don't even know the codes we use for design. All of these softwares are built to conform with our design codes. So it is important that you know these things. It is very, very important. You cannot just be an engineer, you don't know any code, you don't know anything, you don't know any specification of the code. It's a problem. Okay. So that is why the number three here is very important. Okay. Then number four, analysis and design with product structure. Because for this edition, we are going to be using product structure. We're going to be teaching you how to use product structure for structural design and detailing. Yeah, so you have your detailing here, and everybody that took part in this webinar or seminar or whatever you're going to call it, online training, you're going to be given a certificate. Okay, very unique stuff. So let's go. Let's check about it. Okay, I believe you've gone through this already about CAD Made Easy and then our goal, because there's a whole lot of collapse. So we believe that through this, a lot of we'll be having a lot of qualified engineers. Okay, so then the next thing is course contents. Okay, in this edition, we will be offering training session for individual interested in the following courses. So just like we said before, so this is it. We just had to detail them out and then introduction to structural engineering. Okay, so we'll talk about general principle of structural design, flat slab analysis and design. Sorry, that was supposed to be solid slab, not flat slab. Okay, please just take correction there. Before you migrate to flat slab, you should know how to design solid slab. Okay, then we have beam analysis and design, column and foundation design, staircase design. Okay, then we are going to also, I'm going to bring a real life situation where these things can be directly applied. So I will be doing a kind of how do I put it? I'll be trying to bring the reality, after the design. I'll try to see how it is being applied in reality. Okay, so you're gonna see that. Then again, analysis and design of design using product structure suit. Okay, so we have all of this, so you can go through this on your time, on your own time, and just go through what we have there. Then again, training duration stroke fee. I believe a lot of people have gone through this. The training session will last for a period of 2 weeks, after which an assessment will be given to all candidates to perform and submit for scores. It's not just going to be a training where you come and you just attend. At the end of the day, you're going to be given a task. You're going to be given a test which you will do and you will submit and you'll be scored. And then the training fee. Then after that, you're going to be given that certification. Okay. Now, the training fee for this edition is just 20,000. What you're going to learn is more than 20,000. I know the economy is hard, but I just had to bring this down to 20,000. Okay, just for people so people can partake. All right. So, like I said, you can pay this money in two times, the first week and the second week. Okay. All right. So 20,000 naira only, and a certificate will be issued at the end of the training. So that's that. Then in our next edition, we're going to be talking about different things. Okay. So you can just go through what we have here. And then, okay, Project Ed, I'm in charge of this, so you know me already. Then don't joke with this opportunity. You can always connect with me through this, okay? So this is it. So I don't want to, let me just take you through a couple of stuff. So like talked about product structure, this is product structure. Just like you've seen, this is a very simple design. The simplest design I've ever done, I should say, is this, okay? So this is just one floor, one suspended floor. This is a roof beam, okay? This is roof beam, what you're having on top of this And then what I actually use here is strip foundation. So you can see the strip beam and the strip itself. Yeah, because our design is a design for a particular structure in Ikota in Lagos, and the area is a bit swampy, and I think it was Anfield, so this is the best for this location. So if you see this other reddish kind of color, that is wall load that has been applied, and you can see an opening there. That opening shows that I had to deduct the window for each of these walls, so the wall load can be reduced. By the time this area is calculated out, the entire load will be reduced. Okay, so I'm just showing you this concerning product. So this is the 3D. Let's go to plan view. It's a wonderful software. You can see it here. You can also see the reinforcement. 20 white 10 blah blah blah. Most times you see this, you don't know how to read it, you don't understand what it means. This is an opportunity for you. An opportunity, if you miss this opportunity, I'm telling you, you will not get it anywhere. Okay, so this is how simple this is. Okay, this is just a very simple design. So this is the strip layout, just like you've seen. And when you're done with this, you take it directly to product detail, where you do the detailing for all of these things. Okay, so it can be printed. We also have product steel if you want to do anything with steel, with steel structure, steel section. Yeah, so we won't be treating steel for this edition. I just want to take you through a simple structural design so you can understand the basis. Okay, all right, so let me just show you. I think I have a job I did with the software. Okay, so this is typically what you get at the end of the day. This is a design I did with Broader Structure. So you can see the foundation layouts, just this is the foundation layout. It's a church building. You can see the different part footing and sizes and the depths. Okay, so it's that simple. So this is beam layout, just like you've seen here. And while these are all the column details, these are all the column details. Okay. All right, then after that, we also have the beam. You can see the beam details here. Okay, I had to group this beam, so it's telling you that similar beams, one B9, one B10, is having this same structural detailing. So you don't have to draw too many. Just with this, you can replicate it for this beam and that beam. A very simple thing. So these are all the benefits you're going to be having. These are all the things you're going to learn. And then we also have the foundation layout, so you can see the size, the reinforcement requirements, and then you can see the elevation for the column details. Okay, so simple. So we'll explain this in detail when we start. So I'm telling you, it's not compulsory, but if you think it's something you don't need to miss, then take all of this opportunity. So this is structural design. These are basic information for my design. We are going to treat this so you understand all of this English. Okay, all right, so this was designed by me. I have a lot of other designs, so but no time for that. This is also an architectural design for those who want to learn architectural designs. You can always contact me later. I did architecture first before I even started engineering. So that's why I'm good in both architecture and the structure itself. All right, so this is a design of a church I just did. I think yeah, I did this with Revit, then exported to AutoCAD, so you can see that. Okay, and this is mechanical, and yeah, this is mechanical drawings, and we also have the electrical drawings here, so just disregard that for now. So the main thing is this. Okay, this is side layouts. Side layout, you need to know. So there is a lot of things you're going to learn, because a lot of people don't even understand this. They don't know how, they don't know the principle behind a side layout. You're going to learn this too. Again, you're going to also learn how to plot using layouts. You're going to learn how to plot using layouts. So many people don't know how to plot using layout. This is where you set appropriate scale to your drawings before printing. Okay, so you can see everything has been brought into layout, into pages, different pages. So it's one of the things you're going to learn. Okay, it's an opportunity that if you miss it, I'm not sure when I'm going to have time to do this again, because even now I don't even have the time. I'm just trying, because a lot of people from my YouTube page, they come to me and, when are you going to host a class? We want to have a class. We want you to organize a training and all of that. So that's why I'm trying to do this. Not that I really have that time, but I'm going to try to make this happen this time. Okay. So please, if you're interested, you can also share the link, on our WhatsApp. You can share the link to other people who may want to take part in this training. Okay. So I won't take you too further. I'm going to stop here for now. Okay. Like I said, there are a lot of other softwares which I can take you on. But I want to first start you with this because it's very important that you start with the basis. All right, so see you guys, and make sure I'm gonna post the link to my YouTube page, my YouTube channel, so you can follow some of the previous videos I've done there. But this one is an opportunity where you have to learn one-on-one with me. It's not something you just watch video. It's something you watch video, you ask questions. We treat problems, we bring problems, we treat them. So that's that. So I'm going to also be posting the link to my other videos so you can also watch them on my YouTube page. All right, so thank you guys. See you guys later.